Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to download, install, and use the latest version of Xeno that's been updated for the newest Roblox release. To get started, open the download link provided in the video description. Once you're on the website, click the Download Xeno button. You'll be taken to the download page where you'll need to wait a few seconds before the download becomes available. When it does, click Download, choose Save, and let the file finish downloading. After the download is complete, open the zip file and launch the Xeno application. Once it starts, you'll see the Xeno interface on your screen. Next, open Roblox and join any game. In Xeno, go to the Clients section to check if it's connected. If everything is working correctly, your Roblox game should appear there automatically. To make things even easier, open the menu in the top left corner, select Settings, then go to General. Here you can enable Auto Attach, which automatically connects Xeno whenever you launch Roblox, so you won't have to attach it manually every time. You can also explore the other settings to customize the interface and improve performance. Xeno also includes a built-in script hub where you can browse and load scripts for a variety of Roblox games. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.